Uba Benson Pala, President Kamegalia Parish Congress Committee, Ulong Bakan Shitom Kiwei Seng saiñpyrthei Batama bikin wan persang banyo jingkyrshan pai ba ka Jylla Megalia. Habakali halok kubor ba TMC kande kawei ka seng saiñpyrthei ka bala banwan sa ka Jylla lada ka longkat kum kilat pathai kubor bakindan na padeng kemali Congress ki banai piniso. Uba pala ulong bakinong thebut ha ka Jylla ki khamlong ki ba pikir ba. Ula ai nuksa da ka bo ong ba pei kum ka BJP pelasensyar ha kiwei pat ki Jylla re kamla bandrung kli pat ha kiwei pat ki Jylla.
The voters in Meghalaya are quite advanced than any I've seen all over India. The people in Meghalaya, the voters in Meghalaya are quite advanced than any voters in India. I can proudly say. One thing, because of the society in Meghalaya is a very dynamic society. And number two, most people are, the literacy is above the national average. Number three is that even at a young age in Meghalaya, people are educated, smart. So I don't think that any party, BJP has come much in advance, but they still could not enroll. And NCP has come in much in advance, they still could not enroll because NCP is ruling in Maharashtra, so BJP is ruling all over. So it will take some time for them to, I don't say that they cannot, but it will take some time for them, even if the leaders goes. But leaders, I told you, leaders goes and leave, they may win on their own particular seat. Example, if I leave a party and join somewhere, I may win into that particular seat, but to convince the rest of the state, it will take time, I think. So as of now, I think VKD is more popular than the TMC. So I don't think that people will be easily convinced on the TMC issue, because what is happening in West Bengal, people of Meghalaya knows well.